Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a delicious instant coffee that has great ingredients, you've got to try out this Sigmatic Defend Instant Coffee Mix. So this instant coffee is great. It has different types of mushrooms like cordyceps and chagas. And this is the amount that you get. It's a really finely ground powder, so it dissolves really nice into the hot water. It's not like crystals or chunks or anything like that, so I love that. What I do is I'll pour about 4 to 6 ounces. I like it strong, so I'll pour about 4 to 6 ounces of water, boiling water, and enjoy. I don't like to add anything with it because it tastes so delicious on its own. I was trekking for 7 days and these packs were so great to bring with me. I really enjoyed them. So if you're looking for a really good instant coffee that has a nice flavor and it has great ingredients, it'll keep you feeling good, I'd highly recommend this one by Sigmatic. I really like it, and that's my point of view.